Let's solve this question. A heavy metal plate in the shape of a regular hexagon is lying on a deck of a ship. The vertices of plate are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 in a clockwise direction. A small frog starts jumping from vertex 1 and lands on vertices 2, 3, and so on. After reaching the vertex 6, it reverses its direction and jumps n times to land on the vertex 1 again. After reaching the vertex 1 again, it keeps on jumping n times in clockwise direction and n times in a counterclockwise direction alternatively. If the frog reaches vertex 5 after a total of m3 jumps, where m is a natural number, the value of m can be. Options are 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so first of all, let's just understand the question. Uh, there is this heavy metal plate in the shape of a regular hexagon, right? Which is lying on deck of a ship. So yes, so this is metal plate in the shape of a regular hexagon, right? And on this plate, these vertices are numbered as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Correct. It is given that a small frog start jumping from vertex 1 and land on vertices 2, 3, 4, and so on. Correct. So first of all, frog is on this vertex 1. Correct. It jumps to vertex 2 and then to vertex 3 and then to vertex 4 and then to vertex 5 and to vertex 6. After reaching the vertex 6, it reverses its direction and jumps n times to land on vertex 1 again. So, in order to reach at this vertex 1 again, how many times this frog has to jump? N times, right? And this n will be equal to, I know, to reach, in order to reach at this vertex, he has to jump on consecutive numbers, right? From 6 to 5, and then 5 to 4, and from 4 to 3, 3 to 2, and 2 to 1, correct? And it is given that after reaching 1 again, it keeps on jumping n times in clockwise direction and n times in anti-clockwise direction from 1 to 6 and 6 to 1. Correct. Then question is asking if the frog reaches vertex 5 after a total of m3 jumps. Correct. After a total of m3 jumps, if a frog is at this vertex 5, then m can take the value 5, 6, 7, or 8. Now, let's just approach this. For example, frog is at vertex 5 in how many jumps? I'm writing frog will be at this vertex 5 in how many jumps? 1, 2, 3, and 4 jumps. First of all, he will be at 5 at 4 jumps, right? And then in one more jump, he will be at this vertex 6. And then after one more jump, he will be at 5 again. So this is 5 and at 6 he will be at 5. Then after 10 more jumps, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. After 6, there are 8 jumps, or after 4, there are 10 jumps to reach again at 5, right? So this frog will be at 5. This frog will be at this vertex 5 again after 14 number of jumps or 16 number of jumps. Then after 24 or 26 number of jumps, and so on, right? The smart way to solve this question is to find the number of jumps after which this frog will be at this vertex 6, correct? So at 6, this frog will be at this vertex 6 at after how many jumps? If it is starting from this vertex 1, so he will be at vertex 6 after 5 jumps, right? And then after 10 more jumps, he will be again at 6. So after 15, and then at 25, and then at 35, and so on, He will be at this vertex 6 in 5, 15, 25, 35 jumps. Now he will be at vertex 5 either one jump before this 5, right? So at 4 or after one jump after this number, correct? At 6, 14 or 16, right? And 24 or 26, 34 or 36. Correct. Now look at this number. Look at this number. The unit digit uh, of these jumps, in case when the frog is at vertex 5 is coming out to be 4 or 6. This unit digit is either 4 or 6, correct? Now look at these options. 5 cube, I know, ends in a 5. This cannot be my answer because this frog will be at a multiple, or this frog will be at a vertex after multiples of 5 jumps at vertex 6, correct? 5, 15, 25, 35. So he will be at vertex 6 after um, number of jumps which is a multiple of 5, correct? The unit digit of 6 cube would be 216. 6 cube is 216. Yes, this is my potential answer. 7 cube I know is 343. So yes, this option cannot be my answer. Also 8 cube is 512. This cannot be my answer because unit digit is 2, right? And this frog will be at this vertex 5 when number of jumps are either or the number of jumps have unit digit as 4 or unit digit as 6, right? Which we can see easily from number of jumps required to reach at 6, which are 5, 15, 25 and 35 and so on, correct? So correct answer would be option B.